To check your transaction history on Bellco Credit Union, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Bellco Credit Union website and click on the Login button. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, locate the Accounts or Account Overview section on the dashboard. This section will display all your accounts linked to your online banking. Step 3. Select the desired account. Click on the specific account for which you want to view the transaction history. This could be a checking, savings, or any other type of account you hold. Step 4. Access transaction history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Filter or download transactions. If needed, use any available filters to narrow down your search by date or transaction type. You may also have the option to download your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Bellco Credit Union. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to their customer service.